Hello everyone, welcome to Diva classes. This is the Vavadvani and today we will be discussing about the syllabus of ICSE class 10 for the 2027 examinations. So this is English syllabus that we will be studying today. English being the compulsory subject means whenever you talk about best 5 subjects, you are supposed to take English as the main subject. Okay, so right now we'll be discussing about कि 2027 examinations में जो आपका boards होगा, that will be the first boards you will be giving. तो उसमें what things you have to study and what things you don't have to study. So first is English language, in which question number 1 is means all the questions are compulsory. Question number 1, that is of composition, that is of 300 to 350 words, in which the different kinds of narrative essays come, the picture based composition comes. ठीक, तो the argumentative essays come, so those things you are supposed to study. Then question number 2 is about writing a letter, that is of means a choice of 2 subjects, that is either formal or a friendly mode of treatment, means informal. Formal or informal, you have a choice between that. The format of the letter with address, introduction and conclusion will also form the part of assessment. मतलब जो आपको specific that format is given, according to that only your markings will be done. So hence you are supposed to study the letter, formal as well as informal. And then comes question number 3, that will be given a specific situation and you are required to, means you have to write a notice, write a text for a notice based given on the directions, and you have to write an email on the same content as the notice, usually to invite some chief guest. ठीक, तो notice and email both are of 5 marks and you have to prepare for that. Then is question number 4, in which you are given the 500 words of unseen passage, that is a comprehension based question, in which there are question answers, the word meanings, words or phrases are there, and you have to write the last question will also consist of the summary, that is the main pressy writing form that you make, जिसमें आपको 50 words का एक ऐसे summary लिखनी होती है. ठीक, and the last question is of functional grammar. ठीक, in which the students are supposed to understand the prepositions, the conjunctions, the words and the structure of sentences. ठीक, तो ये आपका English language का portion था. Now moving towards the portion of literature, that is again a separate paper of 80 marks. Okay, जिसमें ड्रामा इज़ देयर, प्रोज इज़ देयर, दैट इज़ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज एज वेल एज पोइट्री इज़ देयर. तो व्हाट चैप्टर्स यू आर सपोज टू स्टडी इन दैट, वो हम पढ़ेंगे. क्लास 9th में आपने ये चैप्टर्स पढ़े थे. क्लास 10th में यू विल बी टेकिंग अप जूलियस सीजर, एक्ट 3, 4 and 5, that is the drama portion, then in which the RTCs comes. ठीक, then next is the treasure chest, a collection of ICSE short stories and poems. So जिसमें सबसे पहले आता है prose या फिर short stories. The 5 stories and 5 poems you are supposed to study, that is with the photographer, the elevator, the girl who can, the pedestrian and the last lesson. And in poetry you will be studying haunted house, the gloves and the lions, the when great trees fall, a considerable speck and the power of music. ठीक, तो these are the 5 stories and 5 poems, and the drama portion, that is Julius Caesar, act 3, 4, 5 that you will study. Whatever you have studied in class 9th वो अब आपके syllabus में नहीं है. हाँ, Julius Caesar की basic understanding, if you have not studied Julius Caesar in class 9, so it is very important to study that base so that you are able to understand the further acts as well as scenes. ठीक, तो these things you don't have to study now. अब this is gone, done and dusted. And then if you want to study it, you can see the playlist of Julius Caesar as well as treasure chest, that is ISC English Literature, जिसमें आपको ये सारी poems as well as stories plus Julius Caesar भी मिल जाएगी. तो if you want to study of class 9th also Julius Caesar, जिसमें in case you are not able to understand कि like जूलियस सीजर इज़ नॉट एवरी वंस कप ऑफ टी. हर किसी को उसमें इंटरेस्ट होता भी नहीं है, एंड दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन. लेकिन बट इवेंचुअली यू हैव टू स्टडी इट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन पर्पज़, बिकॉज इट इज़ योर 10th बोर्ड्स. ठीक, तो फॉर दैट यू कैन सी द प्ले लिस्ट एंड आप उससे पढ़ाई कर सकते हो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट. एंड इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग द वीडियोज़, यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि the story you are able to understand, you can please do share it with your friends, with your best friends also, and do subscribe to my channel, and please let me know if there are any other issues you need to understand. Keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.